Hello and welcome to Picnie. Today, I'm excited to guide you through a detailed step-by-step process on how to effortlessly connect multiple applications and automate your image generation with Pabbly Connect and Picnie. Our task for today is to set up reviews in a Google Sheet, map Google Sheet fields to the Picnie image generation process, and finally get the output image in a separate Google Sheet. To begin, let's navigate to the Picnie dashboard. You can easily log in using your email and password, or opt for the convenient Google login option. You can select any existing project or create a new project. Now select the image generation tool. Now you will see the list of templates, and you can choose any template as per your requirements. Here, we are looking for a review template, so we will find the review template and click on Generate Image. As you can see, there are 4 fields associated with this template. For convenience, go to the Google Sheets tab and download the sample file. Import that file into the new Google Sheet. Once you import the template data, you can remove the extra columns in this sheet. Now, let's create a workflow in Pabbly Connect. Open it in a new tab. In the Pabbly Connect dashboard, you will see an option to create a workflow. Click on it. Enter the name of the workflow. In the workflow screen, you will see the first option to set the trigger of the workflow. Here, you need to select the app from the applications list. If you want to take your Google reviews, you can select the Google My Business app. Connect it with your account. For now, we are simply using the Google Sheet we created earlier. Search for Google Sheet, then it will show the webhook with instructions to use the webhook with Google Sheets. Copy this webhook. Now, go to the Google Sheet tab. Go to Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. Now search for Pabbly Connect webhook and install the extension. Once installed, reload the page. Now, you will see the Pabbly Connect webhook option, then select the initial setup. Paste the webhook here and put the last column of the sheet. Here E is the last column, so put E here. Now click on the Send Test button. It is showing the test response. Now go to the Pabbly Connect tab. You will see the sample response here. Now, go again to the Google Sheet and save the setup of the webhook pop-up. Now it's time to select the Picnie app in the Pabbly Connect tab. In the Action event, select the Create Image option from the drop-down. Paste your Picnie account API key here to connect with the Picnie app. You can find the API key from the template screen in the dashboard of Picnie. Once you connect, you will see some new options like the project. Select any of your projects. Select the template on which you want to generate an image. Give any template name. You can control the image output quality and output image format with these options. Now it's time to map the template fields to the Google Sheet you have connected earlier. You can map the background image and all the text values like Title 0, Title 1, Title 2, and Title 3. Now click on the Save and Send Test Request button. Now you will see the sample response with the output image URL. Now we will connect the sheet to Pabbly Connect. Now you need to map the data to the other application. You can connect with any social media app like Facebook, Instagram. Here we want to connect with Google Sheets. Here we will search for Google Sheets. Just select the Google Sheets, then select the action event from the list. Here we already have the Google Sheets created, so we can select the Add New Row action event. Now we will prepare a new Google Sheet in a new tab where we will get the output generated image URL. Just create a new Google Sheet and create columns like Review and Image URL. Now click on the Connect button. If you have already connected with a Google account, you can select that, otherwise, connect with a new account. Once you are done with it, you will get the list of Google Sheets from your account. Select the one you have created earlier. Map the column with fields. Here, we are linking Title 3 with the Review column and the Image URL column field to the URL field of the response. Now click on the Save and Send Test Request button. Once you click on the button, you will see the new row has been added to the Google Sheets with image URL. You can check the image and save this workflow. Now it's time to go back to the Google Sheet and generate new rows. You just need to create a new row with your data. Then you will see the new output generated image in the new sheet. Here you can see the new row with the generated image added here. You can see the image with new data. It's important to note, you must mark the tick on Send on Event in the Pabbly Connect webhooks option in the Google Sheets. You can test it with more data. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your workflow. You can replicate these steps for various use cases and automate your workflows effortlessly. We are done with our workflow, but there's more you can explore with Picnie. It offers the option to download the generated image, or you can use the image URL for future use. You can find these assets in File Manager in the Picnie dashboard. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive walkthrough. With Picnie, image generation becomes a breeze, empowering your creative endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.